Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change vibration intensity on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. The settings can be found in the settings menu. After you scroll a little bit and click sound and vibration. Here you want to scroll a little bit down and here you can find vibration intensity. And here you can customize whatever vibration for media, for the system, for notifications, and for the call you want to choose. And we can also enable vibration sound for incoming calls, but that is not necessary for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.